Hello friends, in this lecture we will learn about 3D models in Chem3D. So we have different types of models in Chem3D that are necessary to be learned different at different situations. We will need different types of models. So for the models we should have to draw a structure like different structures. So we have, okay, we have drawn this structure. So now we are having 3D models. So for 3D models you will have to go file and then model setting. Here we will have a different types of model tabs and we will apply each of them. So let's, yeah. First of all, model tab is as a default setting ball and sticks, but we can have a fire and frame. Let's apply it. This is fire and frag, and we have also sticks, only the sticks, and we have also cylindrical bonds. These are called cylindrical bonds, and space filling. These are the space filling models, and we have ribbons. This is called ribbon, and finally cartoons. So these are the different models, and not only for the molecule, but we can have a different model for ligands. We have a wire framework as a stick, and we have a ball and stick, cylindrical, space filling, and none. So as cylindricals, okay, space filling. Let's do this space filling. This is the ligand about the space filling. So that is better to make it the cylindrical. And we have different type of solvent model type. You can have, if you have select any solvent that necessary to be modeled by and 3D to differentiate the molecules. So you can have a fire framework, and same we have a stick, ball and stick, and we have also cylindrical space and none. If you don't need to have a model in solvent, whether in ligands, you don't want to select, you cannot. If you want to, then you will have to kill any of these. Okay, so hydrogen atoms. Sometimes we need hydrogen atoms, and sometimes we do not need to show the hydrogen atoms. So those simple hydrogens are simply non-polar hydrogens or polar hydrogens. If you like to show the, if you would like to hide all of, then there will be no hydrogen. And if you like to show the hydrogen atom as a polar, all polar hydrogen will be appear. So here there is a no any polar, so let's make a polar hydrogen. So we make it OH, that would be polar. So the hydrogen is shown here. Now it depends upon you that whether you would like to select the hydrogen as or not. Show all, you will have to show all the hydrogens, or simply that it depends upon you. Now the hydrogen bonds, if there is a hydrogen bond or not, whether it is intermolecular or not. So hide mean no hydrogen bond will be shown here. Show intermolecular, let's check, is there is a no intermolecular hydrogen bond. So let's show all and check. Okay, there is a no. Then we have show lone pair, hide lone pair. Let's hide lone pair. Let's hide. And if you like to show, you can show the lone pairs. And if you like to show element symbols like oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, it depends upon you if you like to show or not. You can show the serial number from 1 to 7, so you can restore to default. Okay, we have seen model. Now we have color and font monochrome. You can have a monochrome color, only one color. Chain, you can have a chain. And depth element, which element you would like to select. Okay, alpha alex model color, you will have a different color of your model. Let's change the color. And beta sheet, you have sheet color. Okay, let's change the sheet color. Let's preview it. Okay, then we have red color of coil. It's being, so these are the different colors of model displays that you like to need. And you can have a different colors. This was as like this, so the different colors. So let's default, making default and apply it. Okay, so we have model display. We have checked stereo depth, disable stereo rendering. This is the stereo rendering. An enantiomer of this molecule will be shown here, and this show the rendering red R and blue. Eye separation, there is eye separation. And reversed or parallel if you need. So this upon depend upon you. And if you like to parallel or separation, okay, you would like to keep them close, you can. And if you like to give them a space, you can. You have perspective node, building tools are disabled for response. Okay, then you have this a depth fading, depend upon you. Depth depend upon you how like to. And we have model building. We have build an atom, size of atom, it is a 25. Then increase, you can increase. Generally it is at 25 is better, but if you like to reduce, you can reduce the size of atoms here. It was. And bond size, that upon depend upon you how long the bond should be. So this is only 100%. And let's decrease as to same, making okay. And show by default, you, this is the whole atom dot surface. This is the atom's surface. Dots show the surface of atom, and it shows the 50%. And this, it is a 100% atom shows it. Now depend upon you how like to see the percentage, density percentage. It could be a 50, 60, and then that depend upon you. Okay, I made it reset it. And we have checked the color, fonts, stereo depth, background all okay. Let's, we should change the background, and we should keep this background. Okay, you have to. And different types of solid background, and it should be sunrise and rivers. Now depends upon completely to you which background would like to select. Sometimes we need to select the two colors, so you click on this and you can select two colors, red and white. So let's, this is the red and white. If you like to change red and to this, that depends upon you. Sometimes also we need to have a background of picture. So let's check, do we have a picture? Yes, we have a picture. This is the just app for drawing. Okay, here we do not. Okay, change the, let's make it white and apply. Okay, so transparency, okay, transparency, let's, now depends upon you how transparent would like to show the. If I would make it to 40, then let's check what happens. Okay, and it's a position where would like to keep it along axis and transparency. So all the settings that depends upon you. Thank you for watching this video. Keep like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.